I don't know, man. So the thing is, my Canon battery has gone bust. Doesn't charge, doesn't do anything. Who are you? Like, what I meant is, if you already own a smartwatch or a wearable, let's say a Redmi watch or a Xiaomi fitness tracker or something like that, which is even cheaper than this. So you're not getting anything exceptional. It's not gonna add a lot to your plate. Don't get me wrong, you shouldn't even look for something exceptional in this price range. But if you're looking, I'm just saying it's not gonna add a lot to your plate. It's in a given price range. It's for certain people like me who don't even have a fitness tracker. They're just trying to experiment with it and are trying to get there first, or just trying to upgrade. They don't want to invest a lot of cash into it. Yeah, it's for them. I noticed one more thing is I keep on looking to myself, like while talking, not to the camera. So I think it's gonna look a lot. So the second thing I really want to talk about is from the display aspect of the things, the marketing images, the promo videos, everything you see, even on their official website.
Wait a minute!
It's an LCD display, and if you look closely or in a dim lighting condition, you could make out where the screen is and where the bezels are. Like, it's not perfectly black. Even if the UI background is black, it's not completely black. You could really make out the display. That's the second thing that I thought it's a bit misleading. Like, so if I have to sum the entire review or the impressions, whatever I'm doing, in one word, I would say it's good enough. Like, for the price range, whatever it offers, whatever it does it good enough. And in this price range, I think you should really aim for that. Some of the features that I really love is its accurate step count. The vibration motor is really strong. Other features are it's waterproof, water resistant, up to 5 ATM, I guess. It has a water remainder. It monitors your stress. It monitors your heart rate. It also has a SpO2 sensor. SpO2 sensor in this price range is really crazy if you are getting. So that was one of the deal maker, if you can say. So one of the funny thing that happened with me is day one I got the smartwatch. I was wearing it and I was playing Valorant. And Indian servers, even in D2 and Immortal games, there are generally people who like to throw games. So I was super mad. I was screaming, I was cussing, I was slurring, I was doing everything. My left hand vibrated like crazy in a shock, like, what happened? And there was a message written on the screen. It said, "Relax." I laughed so hard watching it. Like, half of my stress was relieved just by looking at the display. And then I started throwing the game as well. You guys are still here. I want to talk about, if you want to chill for a bit. So if you are here just for the video is done. You can close out the video.